Folks, welcome to Hunting and Fishing Colorado. On this episode we're going to be talking about walleye. Josh and I went out early in the morning, about 4 o'clock in the morning. Got there about 4 o'clock in the morning. Went out to Pueblo Reservoir along the North Shore area. In our opinion, the North Shore is the best area to catch walleye from shore. If you have a boat, it's even better. Access is, you got to walk in. The lake's really high, so you don't have to walk too far. We did catch some walleye, and we caught some bass, not big bass. I think our biggest bass was like 12 inches. Biggest walleye was about 17 inches. We lost some fish as well. The bite was off and on. It wasn't consistent, but we did have fun. We hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so we made it down to the shore. We had a little walk go through, and we had to take breaks in there because I have medical problems, but we finally made it down to the shore. We're on the north shore of Pueblo Reservoir, and it's about 4:30 in the morning. Out east, starting to get light. Moon just went down. Should be a good day. Stay tuned. Oh, first walleye.
He's a bigger guy.
I don't think he's 18 inches though.
No, probably not. Good check.
There you go.
He's probably about 16.
First walleye of the morning. Fish on, second, the fourth fish. Feels like a walleye. Yep. Yep, it's just a 14 incher. Came off, and he's trapped right here. Let's see how long it takes him to figure it out. Another fish on.
He's a big guy.
Walleye? Yeah, it feels like a walleye, right?
I don't know. Oh my God, look at that guy.
That's a bass. Yeah, a little smallie.
He ain't 15. There you go.
Sweet. Oh, the nice one.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
There he is right there. He's an 18er. Oh yeah, that guy's big. I don't think he's an 18er.
No.
Could be.
It's like, it's close to it, but it could be like 17 and a half, 17 and 3/4.
17 and 9/10.
Yeah.
About 16, believe it or not.
16.
Yeah.
Another fish. Oh. Oh yeah, that feels like a nice one. Yeah, he's about 16. Oh! Yeah. Well, he could be 18, Josh. 16, 16 and a half.
Yeah, we're good.
He snagged up there for a second. That's why it felt like a nice one, but it was only about 14 inches. Okay. Oh, and you took my worm, you bastard.
Top that.
Okay. There it is. Yeah, about 14. It's fish number about 8 or 9 now, and it's what, 6 o'clock in the morning. Look at that. Oh. Okay, this is the way we hook our worms. We thread it on there. Okay, and you can actually run it up the line a little bit, and then we'll pinch it off. Yeah, rock monster got me again. Okay. Now I'll show you our setup. So I got I don't know what size barrel weight on there. You can use split shots, whatever you want. It's not a huge weight. I see people using gigantic weights, and it's like, these walleye bite real sensitive, and with the big weights, to me, I don't think you can feel the bite as good as you can with the small weight. So I put it up about, from the hook, about 1.5 feet.
I'm about to join you.
You got some,
Oh, I got it.
got a number 6 hook. Do a cinch knot, then I lock it into place. Water's so high this year, there's a lot of snags down below, these big rocks. So we're working around the snags, and you know, you'll lose your rig. You just gotta re-rig. You got a half a worm you want to give me? Okay, and again, we just thread it on the hook. And then pinch it off. That way 18 crawlers becomes 36. And a lot of times they don't take the crawler because you threaded it on, so you get to use it more than once. Oh man, that was a pop.
That same guy. I see what he did. He took my worm. He's the one that figured it out. SpongeBob and Patrick messing with the hooks.
Yeah. Oh, got him. Yeah, I got him. He's doing like a nice fish. He's not taking any drag, so. And a bass, small one. No, he ain't breaking any records. Still got my worm.
Oh man, he's one of those 18 inchers.
Yeah. Another walleye.
Don't worry, it's an ugly stick.
You know what?
You got one?
I got something little on. Another, I think it's a walleye.
It's definitely a walleye.
Yeah.
Not big enough. Not an 18. Swallowed the hook.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah, you gotta cut the line then. There you go. Another walleye. So he felt nice, but he's about 14 inches. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah, about 14 inches. Okay, folks, what we're doing is we're casting it out, and before it hits the bottom, you want to keep the line tight, because sometimes they hit it going down, and you want to be able to feel it. So once it hits the bottom, we just slowly drag it. And what we think is going on is the weights popping across the rocks is making a ticking noise. So that brings them in, that's the noise action. And then the fact that the worm is moving across the bottom, that's the motion action, and it's triggering the bite. Every once in a while, you know, we pause, let it sit, and then repeat. There's lots of snags. The water's so high that all that brush that grew up along the edge these past years is now Snag City underneath the water. Down in there, man. Okay, there we go. Well, folks, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning now. Fish, the bite really slowed down. We caught a few more bass, but that's about it. We hope you enjoyed this video. Learned a little bit about fishing Pueblo Reservoir, how to fish for walleye here, and bass, and you know, sometimes you get a wiper doing the same thing. So be safe, have fun, and enjoy the Colorado outdoors.